Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vidhi Sachit. Today I'm going to share a very fun and a colorful tutorial on painting watercolor hearts because it's February, the month of love. So let's paint some hearts and spread some love this season. You can use these projects to make some greeting cards or simply just use it as home decor. To make it more easy, all the materials that I'm using in this video are linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I'm squeezing out some paints in my palette, and the colors that I'm using is mentioned in the left side for your reference. The first one which we'll be painting is a colorful rainbow heart. To begin this, paint a tiny heart in the center. You can use any colors to paint these hearts. I want this to be very bright, so I'm choosing these bright colors. And after painting the heart, you can just add some tiny lines like these on the outside and leave some gap and paint another heart around it. While painting the bigger hearts, just keep in mind that basic color mixing well. That is, do not mix red and green together, or else you'll get a brown shade, which you wouldn't definitely want it to be in this painting. So mix some colors that will bring out some beautiful shades while they mix. So use some colors that will give beautiful shades when they blend. And for the final heart, choose a color that you want to be highlighted the most in this painting. I'm choosing red and pink because it's the color of love. If you want, you can continue painting more of these brush strokes, but if you want to finish, you can just pull down the last color with water like this and make it very transparent and just splatter some paints, which will make it look a little fun. And that's it, we are done with the first one. For the second one, we'll be painting a very cute and a simple painting which has the letters love. To begin this, write the letters love in any layout that you want to be with pencil. And then choose the colors that you want to paint some tiny flowers on top of the letters. I'll be using mix of pink and some purples and a little bit of yellow and red. You can choose any color combinations that you want. If you wanted full pastel colors or bright shades, it's up to you. Continue painting these simple tiny flowers with different colors all over the letters. If you want, you can choose different types of flowers to paint, but I'm just keeping it simple. Once you're done adding the flowers, you can paint some tiny green leaves to fill the spaces in between the flowers and also to bring some color contrast. And we are done with the second one. I really love how cute this one is, and I'm definitely going to frame this one. The third one is a very simple and a most common type of watercolor hearts that everyone paints, but we are just going to make it fun by adding some metallic paint. To start with, paint a simple heart and continue painting hearts next to it so that the color bleeds into one another. The only thing that you need to remember while painting these hearts is make sure that you add a heart next to it when the previous one is still little wet. So the colors will transfer and bleed into each other and there'll be a beautiful blending of colors. To make the painting look little more interesting, you can also vary with different sizes of hearts. After painting these hearts, there might be some empty spaces which you might want to fill in. So either you can go with painting, either you can go with painting even more tinier hearts or just some simple dots and different colors like this. The choice is totally yours. I really liked how this is turned out, and to make it a little more interesting, I'm going to use it. To make it a little more fun, I'm going to use my metallic watercolors from the brand Brustro. I really like how shimmery they are. I'm going to just paint some golden hearts in the center of the larger hearts. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, just let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get updates on new tutorials every week. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in my next tutorial. Until then, spread love, spread kindness, and take care. Bye.